Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited to share something I have been testing lately. The brand new Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10 and more specifically it is powerful new feature Lightspeed AI. Now this is not just another Linux update. RHEL 10 is the first major Linux distribution to integrate artificial intelligence directly into the command line. And the highlight Red Hat OS Lightspeed AI assistance. So as someone who regularly work with the Linux systems, the feature honestly feels like a big leap forward. Lightspeed is not just a chatbot, it is deeply integrated into the CLI and designed to actually make your day-to-day sysadmin tasks faster, easier and smarter. Here, how get I started? First, I install the command line assistant package. This is available on the both RHEL 9.6 and the RHEL 10. Just search for it and through your package manager, install it and you are ready to go. So once installed, you can open a terminal and simply type CLA or even just C and then ask your question inside the codes. So now let's walk through some real examples that I tried. Diagnose slow boot issue. So I asked Lightspeed CLA diagnose slow boot issue on my server, written possible reason and log file path and even systemd analyze command all explained step by step. Now next, installing software and enabling services. Next, I wanted to test how it can assist with the package installation. So I typed CLA how can I install Nginx and I make sure it start at boot on the RHEL. So it give me exact command using the DNF and systemctl, including tips on the firewall and verifying service status. Now next, let's say you want to automate backups. I ask so CLA create a bash script to backup /etc to backup folder with the today date in the file name. So Lightspeed instantly gave me a full script and even explain each line. You can literally copy and paste it into your terminal and it's that simple. Next, this one is super cool. I ran PSAUX pipelines CLA and if checked if everything unusual is consuming too much CPU. So Lightspeed analyzed the running process in real time and pointed out high CPU usage tasks. It helps you understand complex command output without manually digging through it all. Next, I even tested it for something critical, resetting a forget root password. I asked CLA how to reset forgotten root password on the RHEL. So and once again, it provides the proper rescue instructions and step-by-step recovery command and all directly in the terminal. So before I wrap this up, here once more helpful tip you should know when using Lightspeed AI, you can directly actually view your entire conversation history with the assistant using the command. So C or CLA history-a. So this will show you everything you asked so far. So a great way to keep track of previous queries or copy something useful later. And if you want to explore more options, just type man and see. So that will open the manual page where you can find the additional history related to feature and more advanced uses. So Red Hat Lightspeed AI is not just smart, it's practical, fast and actually helpful. It's built using the Red Hat's years of Linux knowledge and ties into the look like image builder and the OpenShift web console too. So this is massive upgrade, especially for anyone new to Linux or managing Linux systems regularly. If you are using RHEL 10, I highly recommend it. Try Lightspeed for yourself. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow sysadmins and Linux users. Also check out our WhatsApp channel. So to join our WhatsApp channel for daily Linux tips and commands. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.